running? Why are you?
Alright, so mount your camera on a tripod using landscape, you get my point. And now record an empty scene for up to 5 seconds. When you are done with that, you can now walk in. You can decide to sit, you can decide to stand, you get my point. Now you need to have someone else that will walk in. Now don't let this person get close to you, just like what you see me doing on screen. So when the person approaches you, you have to get up and run away, understand? And then the person will have to go back if you want to do the way I do. Now when you are done, you can now save your video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Now on Capcut, you click on new project and import the video you just recorded. Tap on this mute clip button here to turn off the background noise, you get my point. So when that is done, you need to move the video to that point because we need an empty background. Remember, we recorded an empty background. So from this part here, before the character walks in, understand, but let's first of all go towards the ending part of it so that we can set how the video is going to end. So from this part where this character is about to walk away, you need to split and then delete the ending part, you get my point. And now let's come back to the beginning of the video. So this is where we want to set our empty scene, the empty scene we recorded, you get my point. So before the character walks in, right here, we are going to find somewhere here. Then we're going to tap on the video layer. So from here you tap on split. When you tap on split, you go and look for overlay. Where is overlay? So now click on overlay right here. It's going to come down. Use your finger, tap on it and hold, then drag it to the beginning of the video. You get my point. Please pay attention, make sure you pay attention so you will not miss any step. So from this point you tap on the first layer. Now go and look for duplicate. We are going to use duplicate, we are not going to use the freeze button, understand? So you can tap again to duplicate it so that it will get to the end of the video. So let's just duplicate it again right here. That's the empty background, you get my point. So we are going to tap on this first layer here, tap on it, then tap on split and delete it. Make sure the two layers, the first and the second layers, align together, you get my point. So when that is done, now come back to the beginning of the video, you get my point. Please, if you've not liked this video, please do well to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this channel. So from this part, this is how the video I want it to start. So I want to start from where the guy is sitting down on the chair, you get my point. So now what we are going to do right here is, from this particular part where the second character is walking in, we are going to tap on the video, the second layer. Please pay attention, the second layer, which is the character layer. So from here you are going to look for mask. Please go and look for mask. Where is mask? So click on mask right here. So you need to click on horizontal, you get my point. So set horizontal right here. Now click on adjust, then go to rotate, so you can rotate. We don't want to see this second character here, the lady or the girl standing right there. We don't want to see the girl right there, you get my point. So you can click on position so that you can adjust it towards where the first character is. Please follow it step by step like I said, you get my point. So adjust it towards where the character is, you get my point. So when you are done with the adjustment, you can click on the fader button right here so that you'll be able to blend it. So the background color will be able to blend itself. You can take it to 30, you can take it to 50 depending on the weather condition when you shoot or when you shoot your own video, anyone, you get my point. So now the next thing for you to do right here is, when this is done, as you can see, we still have the demarcation. So you can go to the fader button and then adjust it, still adjust it. You can make it up to 50. Now what you need to do right here is to come over to this other layer right here because it's shortened. you tap on it and delete. Now click on this other first layer here, make sure you adjust it to align with the beginning, with the end of the second layer. I don't know if I'm too fast, but if I'm too fast, let me know in the comment section. You get my point? So when this is done, the next thing for you to do is to export this video. Just click on export and it will export this video to your gallery. Guys, we are not done. So for those of you that don't watch videos to the end, I am very sorry, because you are gonna miss out on an important step. You get my point? So when you are done exporting the video, all you need to do is for you to tap on done. When you tap on done, now it will bring you back to the Capcut page. Click on new project and then import that same video you just exported. You get my point? Now look at the video right here. Understand? Now as you can see, let me just take it so that you'll be able to see that the second character is no more there. It's just the first character. Everything you did in the first video is what you have here right now. So what you are going to do is you tap on overlay. When you click on overlay, you see add overlay. Now you bring in the original video. Understand? So look at it right here. You place two fingers on your screen and drag it to fit to screen, expand it to fit to screen. So you are having the original video as an overlay. You get my point? So as you can see, it's longer than the main video, but you don't really have to worry about that for now. So what we need to do right here is tap on split from this particular part where the girl is walking in and delete the beginning of the second layer. Now use your finger to drag it to almost the beginning of the first layer. You get my point? Now we want to set the alignment so that everything will go as we want it to go. You get my point? So you are not going to drag it to the beginning, so we have to do the setting. So allow the character to walk towards where the first character is sitting, so that you see if the reaction will match. You get my point? So it will not be the character is walking in and it didn't even get to the person and the reaction of the first person happened, understand, untimely. So what we need to do here, you go to mask. When you go to mask, click on mask. Now you are on the second layer. Now allow it to open. You click on horizontal. When you click on horizontal, now what you need to do is to go to rotate. Now rotate it to reveal the girl. You get my point? That is coming in. You get my point? I believe you understand what I'm saying. Then you can now go to position. Then you can drag it towards where the first character is. Make sure you allow it to play so that it will not cut off some parts of the girl's body. You get my point? So you do exactly as you see me do here on screen. I'm using position to adjust it. So you just bring it to where you know we'll be able to reveal the first and the second layer characters. I don't know if you get my point, but I believe you get my point. So you play with the fader icon so it will be able to blend the two layers. You get my point? When you are done with that, you can now click on OK. So when you click on OK, you have something like this. So guys, that's perfect. That is perfect. You get my point? And now without wasting much time, what you are going to do next is for you to come to the end of the video. Now tap on the second layer, tap on split, and then delete the ending part, because this is how we want the video to end. So you can adjust so that everything will align, the two layers will align. You get my point? So what's going to happen right here is to apply the effect. You are going to tap on immediately the character walks in. Before getting close to the other character that is seated on the chair, you click on split. Now move the video a bit. You get my point? Somewhere here. You get my point? Now I will just tap on split again. So when I click on split, what I'm going to do right here is I'll tap on the middle layer, then I'll delete it. Then I'll click on overlay. Click on add overlay right here. Then I'm going to bring in the effect I want to use for this particular video. So guys, here is the effect. You get my point? So from here, I will just tap on split. Then I will delete the ending part of the effect because I want it to align in that margin. You get my point? And now I'll tap on the effect layer, go to remove BG. where is remove BG. Tap on it, tap on chroma key. Now move this color picker to where it shows green like this. You get my point. So you can now increase the intensity to either 60 or you can take it to 50, but I will leave my own at 60. You get my point. Now you can expand it to make it big so it will align with the size of the character. You get my point. So with that, you are good to go. So at this point I notice there is still green color around the effect. So what to do to take it off is you're gonna tap on this effect layer again. Just tap on it, then go and look for adjust. So let's go and look for adjust. Where is adjust? So guys, please like and share this video. Comment if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be able to assist you 100%. Now click on adjust, move it a bit, go to HSL. Now tap on it, tap on green. Now reduce saturation to -100. So you're going to see that there will be no green color again on that green screen effect. So what you're going to do right here is to position it right there. You get my point? Now make sure the two layers align at the end of the video, so you can now click on export. Then you export your video to your gallery. You get my point? So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.